Glams, it's your host again, Natanya with the Glam Life. Well, I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you to all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. Back here with another hair video, and this time it's going to be featuring my baby girl. It is wash day. I've already did a pre-poo treatment using olive oil on her hair, but I'm going to be showing you all a quick method on how I wash your hair with a twist in it. So without further ado, please stay tuned. All right, Glam, so we are back and her hair is pretty much wet, and I'm going to be going in with a clarifying shampoo, and I'm going to be using this Tresemee Moisture Rich Shampoo. And again, her hair is twisted up. I don't take the twist out because her hair is so thick. So I'm just going to squeeze a generous amount of shampoo in my hand, and I'm just going to cleanse her hair in sections and head down. And this is just a quick method right here on me just doing a quick clean on her hair without me taking her hair completely apart, and just cleansing the scalp. I'm just going in between and just cleansing the scalp, gently cleansing the scalp because that's what you want to get clean. This is just a quick method, again, without me starting her hair over from scratch. And just be careful when you are doing this method, especially when I'm washing her hair. Turn around for me. I'm just cleansing the scalp. That is not getting in the eyes. And my biggest focus is I'm focusing on the roots to get that scalp clean. The shampoo is going to pretty much wash down the hair shaft, but I'm just cleansing the roots and the scalp of her hair to make sure it's cleansed. She loves when I wash her hair because it's just so relaxing. And it's just a quick cleanse of the hair, making sure I get her scalp cleansed because her hair is so thick and we're kind of pressed for time. So this is just a way for me to do it. Turn around for me. I'm going to get the back side of her hair. All right, Glam, so I'm going to repeat the steps. I'm just going to go to the sink and repeat these steps a little bit more. And I want to come back to show you how I apply deep conditioner on her hair, being that it's in a twisted state. All right, Glam, so we are back, and I washed her hair like 3 more times from when I showed you all how I wash it with the twist. Now, her hair is squeaky clean. It feels a little bit stripped. Hold your head up for me, sweetheart, so they can see the camera. But I'm just going to be going in now with these twists And I'm just going to be deep conditioning, and I'm going to be going in with the Dove Rituals and the coconut hydration conditioner. Now, like when I shampooed, I mainly focused in on her scalp, but being that I'm going in conditioning, I'm going to apply the bulk of this product on the hair shaft, because that's the oldest part of the hair, and that's the part of the hair that needs the moisture. So again, with these twists that I'm working with, I have a generous amount. You all see I'm heavy-handed, and I'm going down the hair shaft. And these are the same twists that I will be retwisting once I finish deep conditioning the hair. And this method right here, I love G.L.A.M.s because it saves so much time. So much time, being that her hair is very thick. You see how thick those twists are? Her hair is very coarse and it's very long, and that just saves time, as well as her being, saying ouch every 5 minutes, because I'm trying to detangle her hair as gentle as possible. So I'm applying, again, most of the product down the hair shaft, and I'm going to work this product in throughout all of her twists. Now, the best part about this method is shed hair, as you all see, is coming out. So I'm just able just to loosen some of the shed hair that is coming out from me washing it, which is perfect. But when I go in and get a good detangle on it, that's when I'm going to show you all when I go in and start the twisting. So I'm working the product in. You see the product is in her hair, because when I squeeze it, you see the stuff coming up out of my hands, which indicates that the product is in her strands. So I just wanted to show that to you all, that the product is indeed in those strands. Even though her hair is twisted, I'm just going to squeeze again. It's in there, so that's what you want. And this is saving me time upon time right here. This is normally a 2-hour process, and I'm just able to get that conditioner in a matter of minutes. So we have a plastic cap right here, and I'm just going to slip that plastic cap on. And I'm not going to place her up under a dryer. She's just going to go back and do some schoolwork while this sets in on her hair, and I'll be rinsing it out, and I'll show you all how I style from the end, at the end.